curious beast.
Egg surprise, what's inside? Let's use our eyes. Shake it once and shake it twice. Time to see the big surprise.
Crack it open, what's that sound? Something fun is jumping out. Look, a lion with a crown, roaring, dancing all around.
Egg surprise, what's inside? Let's use our eyes. Pink or yellow, big or small. Let's go crack and find them all.
Crack it open, 1, 2, 3. Out pops a buzzing bumblebee. Wings so shiny, flying high, zooming fast across the sky.
Egg surprise, what's inside? Let's use our eyes. Spin around and count to 5. Let's go see what comes alive.
Crack it open, what's in there? A dancing bear with purple hair. Clap your hands and stomp your feet. Surprise, time is super sweet.
Egg surprise, every egg's a big surprise. Colors, toys, and happy cheer. Let's find more and shout, yay! Here! Egg surprise, what's inside? Let's use our...
Subscribe to my channel.